In this video, let's take a look at adding illuminations to our control buttons. The first thing we want to do is mirror the base of our steering wheel. We're going to use our right plane. We're going to select bodies to mirror. Now, one thing to note is you can merge solids in the mirror function, but because we have the solid airbag as well, SolidWorks will merge all of our solid parts. So for now, we're going to deselect the merge solids option. After the fact, we can use combine, which we added to our feature tab, to select both of our steering wheel base portions and combine those only. Now when we take a look at the steering wheel image, we can see that we have 6 buttons where we need to add illumination. This is going to be simple. The first one we want to do is the top right, which is a green illumination. Simply going to select the split face that we created, use my Appearances dropdown, select Add Appearance to a face. Under my Appearances dropdown, select Lights, LED, and scroll down to the green color. This will create a green illuminated ring when we render our parts later. The next one we want to create is red. We'll follow the same procedure, grabbing the face only, selecting our red LED, and so on. We're going to do this for all the buttons. If you come to a color that is not in the selection process, which we'll find when we get to our left side, we have 2 different color blues. You simply follow the same procedure, select your face, apply appearance to the face, grab an LED, grab the closest color possible, in our case we're going to grab this dark blue, and simply drag the color until it closely resembles what's in your image. Select OK. Now that LED appearance is applied with a custom color. The last 2 we have is a light blue and a yellow. So again, we're going to grab LED, grab that blue color. This time we can either select a custom color or again just drag it to a lighter color and apply that material. The last one we have is yellow, which is going to be a standard LED color. Also note that the back half that we split is going to be a different color as well. We can simply control select both faces. We can apply an appearance to those faces. In this case, we're going to use plastic. We're going to use a medium gloss. We're going to select light gray. This will give us some good contrast between this part, which we're going to select a body. We're going to give it high gloss, black. Let's hide our image and take a look at what we have. It's a pretty good representation of the base of our steering wheel. That concludes the video on adding illumination to our buttons.